Well. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu. Uh, Now from Dania the Ansari. Previously it was Pakistani Talks, but recently I've changed my account from my form. What you can say it. Former name it was Pakistani Talks, and now it is Dania the Ansari, which is my own name. I'm making this video for a very long time and probably making it in full English, not because I want to become burger or I want to sound like a burger person, but to be honest, I am learning English because of professional needs, as you all know that in corporate sector and in our university lives, in our school life, college life, and for further future, as we all know that probably the era which we are entering in is not for the people behind those have language barriers. So if I only know the mother tongue of mine, probably I can't talk to the people I want to approach for my business or my brand or anything like that. Even if you're an influencer on social media, still you need some basic knowledge about languages just to contact and communicate easily. Well, what I am sharing and what is open on my account right now is canva.com, which is a very renowned profile and website. On the other hand, I have this my favorite drama. I was watching it. Suddenly, I thought that I should upload a video on my YouTube. Okay, so those who know about Canva maybe can leave, and those who want to learn the beginning of Canva, like how to be a person who can use Canva for their daily presentations, or like if you want to get a pro or something at designing. Obviously, I'm not very good at it. I started it like a month ago, or no, 2 months ago. Still, I haven't used it much. I have made some. Okay, I can't show you the post I already have made just because it's for a company I'm working in right now. Uh, so the posts some are not posted yet. They are private posts. Well, this is where oh damn, this is where our account is. How you can log in your account is a very simple procedure. Just go to Canva and log in with your Facebook or log in with your Chrome, and that's it. So the first page you will see in the free version is this. If you want to buy the premium version, well, they will provide you much better facilities than this one. But if you are starting the beginning, so this is the perfect one. What we are going to do is, first I will introduce that what Canva is and how it works. Here is the search bar, and I am going to search for YouTube banner. If you are starting a YouTube account and you want to make a banner for your account, which is also known as the cover of your page, what you can do is search for a YouTube banner, and it will provide you with the plain page of size which is required for a YouTube banner. Now, if you don't want to create it on your own and you don't want to create a new design, what you can do is go over here or like anywhere where you want. You can also use whiteboard presentations, and if you want to like search for something creative, here what I am going to search right now is the first site thing. Create a design is creating your own design on any of these patterns like whiteboard, Instagram story, and Instagram post or Facebook post. But if you want to create a YouTube band, if you want to find a pre-made, like which people have uploaded for you to use, so you can find a YouTube banner education. If your account is related to education, so you can search here with the word education. We'll see the results. Sorry, my internet is a little slow as we are aware of the internet issues in Pakistan, the signal issues. Okay, so here we have the design patterns. You can use any of these if you have the premium version, and you can use few of these if you have the free version like me. What you can do easily is to filter out the free ones so that you don't have to worry about that if it is free or not. Here are the topics that you can search for. Are you saying this? These are the subjects: science, math, business, technology. As we wrote that YouTube banner education template. So it's showing you the subjects that related to this subject. There are 1.1k banners available already on Canva. This is like a heaven for uh, beginners or like people like me who are just starting their designing. Uh, it's not for actually being a designer. It's for your basic needs. Like if you're running an Instagram account for yourself or for anyone else, if you are running a YouTube channel, you always need a banner. If you're running a Facebook page, you need a proper cover photo and a profile picture. Here they are saying that if it is for education, you can find these customized ones for grade, preschool, kindergarten. In our time that was known as Prep 1 and Prep 2. Well, there are animations and videos as well that you can edit, but today we will just focus on the pictures. Okay, so here we already have told it that it's for YouTube banner, but here we can also add it as social media, and it has to be like Instagram post if it's for a post, if it's for a Facebook ad or anything like that. If it's a video, so which size of the video it have to be if we provide it a YouTube video. Okay, let's see what are the results. It's saying that these are the results for YouTube video for a size of a YouTube banner. But what we are doing is not going for a video right now. So let's remove it. Social media. Okay, I can't find one that I want. I'll go with Instagram post right now. Well, no. Actually, there is no need for it. All categories. The one filter only I need right now is free, so that we can start editing and not exceed this video more than 10 minutes, because 10 minutes are more than enough. A quick view on pictures. Okay, well, this seems elegant to me. Why my internet is so slow? Damn it. Okay, I forgot to tell you that here is the button for you to customize this template. You can easily save this for later, like if you don't have time right now and you just want to scroll down and see that what are the designs that you write, and you will later on decide that which one is the perfect. So you can just start it and go for it later. Here it is. Now this is a page that is difficult for like it was for me in the first try, but now it's okay. This is the text and you can edit. It's just like a word. You can edit the text here, and it's, if you have used the Microsoft PowerPoint, well done. It's nothing for you, then it is a piece of cake. What excites me are these elements. The elements that are free and available. Available. My English is damn bad, I know. Don't judge it, please. And don't judge my internet as well. Oh, bro, it's frustrating. I have to speed up my, well, what? My internet is speed. No, my video, maybe. Well, let's use this one right now. Here it is, a star that we see that it's behind the text. If we want to bring it to the front, what we will do is go to the layers and bring to the front. Okay, sorry, bring forward. Well, it's already on the front and it's okay, it's a very light star. Sure. What we are doing is this star has to be layered and it's already set forward. Where I have messed the video, I know, but okay. What you can do is, okay, I'm used to of writing this one, Dani. What we'll do is stage it to the center, then we'll just simply, okay, oh, it's in the center now. Pakistani talks live. Oh, live. So this is the first step, or you can say the first lesson of our Canva. It's been 11 minutes and 50 seconds already. So we'll end this video over here. If you want to see more videos like this, even if you will not comment or like it, I will share it. Unfortunately, because I have to practice my English and my Canva skills as well. So bear with it. And I have heard that if you practice something for 21 days consecutively, you'll learn it and it will be your hobby then. So let me try for 21 days. I hope that I can maintain this uh, to the next 21 days, inshallah. Uh, till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.